Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your last love bite of the month. So, Scorpio, let's see what's going on. A simple 9 card spread. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. All right, Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Scorpio, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Wow. The Empress and the Queen of Wands, what an opening. With the Judgment card in reverse. No more giving second chances here to a commitment. Made a decision. No more confused. Turning your back. Shining bright like the star. All right. So, Three of Pentacles is at the bottom of your spread. Okay. So, either this Empress is doing a rather great job of working on their own life, has made some kind of a decision, or maybe somebody wants to work things out with this Empress again. I don't know. I'm going to clarify these cards later. Scorpio, let's start with your reading. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards between the two of you, and let's see if you guys had to say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification of these. So, Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Let's take a few more from here, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Scorpio and their person. All right. And a couple more from here as well. Scorpio and their person. Good to go, Scorpio. Let's start your reading. The first card here says, I hurt myself when I chose to keep peace to enjoy time with you. I should have told you the truth about what was bothering me. Keeping it all inside me has been eating away at me. I've been loyal to you. Can you honestly say you've been loyal to me? Loyalty to me is knowing that you can trust someone with your mind, body, heart, soul, and life. Being a faithful and reliable partner always. It frustrates me that I can't connect with anyone else the way I connect with you sexually. Our sexual connection is magical and no one else compares. You're never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you, even when you don't see me. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. I'm afraid of losing you. We see this from two different perspectives. And the last card here, Scorpio says, it hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. All right, Scorpio, if these messages are resonating with your story, let's start your reading. And I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you. My angels, for Scorpio, please, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, blessing, guidance, reward. Whoever this Empress is, I think these rewards are coming for this Empress. They've made some decision. They've made some decision to choose themselves or do the right thing, or has been very loyal, kind, and taken charge of their life. There's some big rewards coming for somebody here. Alright, so let's start with your reading, Scorpio. Empress, first card. I love this. So what do you want to say to us, Empress? Let's give her the mic. Empress. Okay. One more. Empress. Empress is telling me, Scorpio, none of my dreams came true. I've lost hope in this connection. Okay. Things were very stuck. It was almost like I had bad luck all the time in this connection. Nothing really worked out for me. I had no choice. I had to pull out my sword and create some barriers here. I took charge of my own life. I became the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands? You want to say something? Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands? Queen of Wands. Even if there was a return here, Scorpio, even if there was a return here, I think some communication happened. Somebody made a choice, somebody made some clear-cut decision not to give this connection a restart here. Somebody has found their path, they found their goal, they are kind of in their power at the moment. With, two cards like this together, like Queen of Wands, Empress, is like somebody who's very, very powerful. I think this communication has taken place that I've made a decision. And I think the decision has been not to give a second chance. Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Judgment in reverse. Yes, somebody's decided to put an end to all this connection because it gave them too much stress, too much anxiety, too many sleepless nights, and made a decision to end this commitment. Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Somebody feels I had no choice again because I had to put up my boundaries. I had to protect myself because in this commitment I was always made to feel left out, abandoned, left out in the cold. I was always in lack. And that's the reason I waited for some time, but then I had to make a choice. I've made one choice. I'm no longer standing in limbo, going nowhere. I have my one wand which I have in my hand now. And I'm carving my life out for myself. So what's this choice, Spirit? Two of Wands. Two of Wands. What's this decision? One more. Yeah, somebody was very unhappy. They felt it was a lot of wasted time, a lot of wasted energy to be dealing with somebody who was very immature, who was always not consistent, probably childish or a player or something like that. Somebody was very, very unhappy in this connection here, Scorpio. They kind of dropped this connection, not wanting to have this inconsistent kind of a relationship anymore. What they were looking for is somebody who would give them equally, an equal match, an equal give and take. I think this Empress is still being very kind, still being very generous. Even though they've made a decision, they're no longer confused anymore. Yes, they've put an end to this. They're saying, I can't have any more swords in my back. Not now that I've learned so much, I've grown so much. I've picked myself up now. And this connection only gave me betrayal. It hurt me. So yes, I'm gotten out of my confusion. I've chosen one cup, and that cup is me. Seven of Cups, Spirit. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Seven of Cups. Yeah, somebody is holding back. Somebody is holding back from accepting. Oh no, this could be somebody coming back to apologize here, Scorpio. Somebody is trying to come back and apologize and have a reunion. Oh my God. The same person who brought in a lot of conflict for this Empress is now wanting to come back with an apology. They want a reunion. They want a reunion. They don't want any of the other options. They know the cup that makes them the happiest and they want to offer theirs. They've seen this Empress become really strong and independent, and they are realizing that this is where I can have my 10 of Cups. They want a happily ever after now. Somebody wants to return here. What's this 3 of Wands in reverse, Spirit? 3 of Wands in reverse. 3 of Wands in reverse. Yes, there's somebody here, this Knight of whatever, this immature person. They could be going through a bit of depression at the moment, could be unwell. Yes, they are again and again telling me, please tell this Empress, I choose them, I choose them. I have no other options left. I know the cup that I want. I've been very depressed and sad since they left. I do want to return back. They see this Empress as the Empress. I mean, the star, the person who can make all their wishes come true, shining bright. They know that their wishes can come true if they unite with this Empress again. Star, Spirit. Star. Star. Yes, see? The star is clarified by the Empress. I was just saying that, right? They're seeing this person as the star, the Empress, because right now, I'll be honest with you, Scorpio, I don't know which side you're on. This person is not in the right place. They're feeling very ungrounded at the moment. They are not being able to take action in their own life. Maybe they've been selfish, self-centered, or maybe they could want this Empress back because of their selfish need for them. Maybe they are in a bad place, or maybe they're not well, or something like that, where they're feeling that, this Empress can save them. It's literally like that. King of Wands in reverse, Spirit. King of Wands in reverse. Oh yes, they want to come and woo this Empress again. They want to work things out. They want to be emotionally open with them. This card was our overall energy, right? The 3 of Pentacles. I was telling you, somebody may want to work things out, maybe. Yes, this person wants to now offer some kind of emotional offer. But why are they still in reverse, Spirit? King of Wands is normally an energy of a person who's a bit selfish, a bit self-centered. So I hope they're not doing this for their selfish reasons. Why do they want to come back, Spirit? Why do they want to come back? Why do they want to come back? Why do they want to come back? Ooh. Because they're feeling very foolish that they left in the first place. They're feeling very, very foolish that they ever left this Empress in the first place. Now they don't want to see this Empress single or looking good or being by themselves. Their selfish reason is only because now they've discovered that I do love this Empress a lot. This was the person I was always meant to be with. They're feeling very foolish about the fact that they ever let this Empress get away. They don't want this Empress to be out there alone, single, happy, because now without this Empress they feel lost. So what this Empress will do, I don't know. It depends on all your personal, readings out there. But this is what is going on in this connection. Use your free will, use your discernment as to why this Empress, if you're the Empress, why you left. Do you think they can ever change? And if you are this King of Wands in reverse, you'll have to put in work, a lot of work, because this Empress doesn't need anyone. This Empress doesn't need anyone. They are in their power, very strong. So that's all I have for you, Scorpio. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.